Want to know how to move your application from a no-code builder online to a local editor like Cursor? I'm going to show you how to do that right here. But first, go ahead and give me a like and a follow so you can see more content about how to use AI tools to improve your coding and your marketing and everything else in your business. Follow along. First thing you're going to do is go to Cursor and download for your machine. You're also going to download GitHub for your machine, GitHub desktop. Go ahead and sign up for Cursor or log in if you already have an account. Walk through this if you want to. Now Cursor's ready to go. When you're installing the GitHub app, you also need to make sure that is running. Now for this demo, I'm going to pull this application down. It was built in Replit. I'm going to pull this down to my local computer and show you how to do that so you can access it and edit it in Cursor. First thing you need to do is make sure that it is synced up with your GitHub account that you logged into this application with, and make sure it's synced up there. As long as it is, you'll be able to pull that down through the GitHub app into Cursor. You'll then go into Cursor here and open a project and find your project inside wherever you stored your GitHub repositories. Once you have the folder selected, you'll open that, and now you can interact with your application here on your computer just like you did on Replit. Give it a command like this to start familiarizing Cursor with your application. This application has a database, so we need to pull that information from Replit as well so we can connect that up. Here's how you do that. You're going to go into Replit, into Secrets, and edit as env your secrets here. You need all of these for your application to work. When that opens, you're going to copy all of the secrets. I won't show them here on the screen because they are secrets. Now, if you haven't done this before, you can ask the agent where to put your secrets. And in this case, they're stored as a .env file. So this is the type of prompt you would use. Run a prompt like this. And after it looks at the application, you can see it tells us to put it in basically the root here. So we're going to create that file, right click, new file, and just name it .env. And now you have that file here. You're going to paste in the information that you just copied from Replit. Hit Control or Command S to save that file, and then let's see what errors we get when we run this application. Since this is coming over from Replit, it sometimes will run into errors for the first couple runs. We're going to do this with a prompt. Please launch this application so I can view it locally. It'll walk through the steps to run this application. Just follow along and keep installing what it recommends. Now we already created this file, it just doesn't seem to see it, so we're going to tell it about that. You can copy this URL and go into your browser, see if you can access it. And there is the PRD refinery. So that's how you move an application from Replit to Cursor in just a few minutes. The process that you saw there is almost exactly the same to use Windsurf or something like that. I'll shoot a video about how to do that as well. And it's also almost identical for doing an export from Bolt or Lovable, but I'll do demos of those as well so you can see exactly how to do them. Hope you found this useful. Please go ahead and give me a like and a follow if you did.